cupcakes, and welcome back to a Teach Your Care crate unboxing. This crate is absolutely trying to burst out at me, and I'm doubly excited. I heard that it is a self-care crate, and I need a boost. I need a boost right now. So let's see what we've got inside. I've been trying so hard to avoid spoilers, and they tend to send them out right as like the boxes go, so it's a little tricky. Oh ho ho, it is in fact the Teacher Calm Kit. Very cool. So, oh, there's a monthly photo contest. I don't know how I've missed that. You can enter by sharing a photo of you with your box on Instagram. Neat. I love it. All right. Let's see what we've got inside. Here is our art print for the month. The world is a brighter place because of you. And it looks like we are, there's always like a focus on a different designer. This one is ADoseOfReminders. I am loving this one. I think this would be amazing for my Sunday school classroom. It is rainbow themed. And we've got a cute little note sheet on the back. It's a little bent, but not so bad. And again, I am going to laminate this so we can use it for little notes, but I think I'm going to hang that one on the wall because it's super cute. And its retail value is $8. See, here we have an essential oil blend roll-on called Calm, and it has peppermint oil, sage, ginger, cardamom, fennel, and jojoba. And let's see. The overall scent is eucalyptus, which was not in that long list of things, but you can definitely smell it as you're opening it up. It's very mentholated, and it's like got that cool mix of soothing but also invigorating. Whew, it's a bit punchy. Got a roller ball. Let's see here. Whoa. Whoa. All right, I've had like this on again, off again cold for days, and I can smell it. Whew. I like it. And there's no leakage outside the box. It did come wrapped in plastic and in a box, but the label is soaked. My hands are shiny. So I'm going to try to wipe this off the best I can so I'm not super slick the rest of the day. The retail value is $8. Let's see, I've got a little lemon. When life gets tough, squeeze me. A little lemon stress ball. Oh, he's a little tough to squeeze. I'm not sure I love him as a stress ball because it's hard to not get the keychain, which is a little pokey. But he's kind of fun. And I'm not seeing him on our little list out for values. So it's just like a little cutie lemon. I dig it. This is fun. All right, we have the Happy Box Calm. All right, so Calm Toys presents Happy Boxes in the wrong order. I think this is the Infinity Cube Fidget. Supposed to be good for nervousness and anxiety. It is a magnetic puzzle cube, and this one is specifically for Teach Your Care crate. I'm so happy you're here. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. You've got this. It's a good day to be proud of the progress you've made. Never forget how capable you are. Keep going, keep trying, keep working, keep winning. And lots of very, very cute images. Oh, and it just keeps going. You're doing your best, and that's enough. You deserve a break. So these are really neat. They fold in different ways. They fold and unfold, and they can be a little bit addicting, I think, when you get to them. There we go, cube mode. You can do hard things. You are powerful, beautiful, brilliant, and brave. Everything will be okay. So a lot of different ways that it can face. It's just very cool. I'm gonna enjoy this very much. Next. Oh, and it has a retail value of $22, which is really fair for the style. A poof pen. A nice soft sensory experience. You're not hooked up to the good microphone, I'm sorry. But it's a fluffy poof on, not that way. The pen, it just turns, don't pull it. It's kind of a cute little mini pen. I think I might give this one to my little one because mini pens and pencils are so great for their developing hands. Whereas on me, because I hold my pen like a weirdo, I will just end up tickled throughout the time. But it is so soft, you know, when you go into the store and just like touch makeup brushes or paint brushes on your face too much, and it's like, I should stop doing this, but you don't. No, you don't have to, because it's lovely. And that soft sensory experience has a $5 value. All right, next up we have some calming stickers. Now they have these retail value of $3, and I'm calling shenanigans because I get these. I know you can get them cheaper on Amazon sometimes in bulk, but they are not that cheap to produce. And I know when I get them from teacher stores, they cost a bit more. But we got three of them. Oh my stars, 3 of them. This one says Teacher Power. I'm not sure how well the texture is coming through on camera, but it is so textured. It's got that nice ribbed grippy. I love these. I get the pebbly texture. I put them on my laptops. I got them on the back of my phone. I keep them on my desk. I love these. That sensory input, exactly what I need. So, Teacher Power. Breathe in and breathe out. This beautiful pinky rainbow theme is so gorgeous. And the energy you put out is the energy you get back. So it is one of those breathes that you follow the infinity. So, or breathe in, follow, hold, breathe out, hold. Whatever way makes the most sense for you. I know some people breathe in and then breathe out. So if it feels best for your body to fill up with air at that stage and expend all of it, do that. You know, your body, listen to what it needs. So I'm loving that. I'm going to pop them back in here so I find the exact right place for them. They are so beautiful. I wonder if I can put one on my one of my teacher binders actually. This is a super soft case. Oh my stars. And inside of here should be our anti-anxiety ring. Oh my stars, and it is so beautiful. Look at that. I have quite a few spinner type rings where the whole thing spins, but none that are quite as beautiful with this. And it is fully adjustable, so I popped it on, and my fingers are currently between like a 7 and an 8. But it, like I said, it is adjustable. You pull one side or the other, and it can close down a little bit more, but it spins. You can kind of wave back and forth on it or spin it. It's a retail value of $16, and I feel like that is an amazing value for it, because it is stunning. It is a nice thick metal. It feels very good quality, and personally, I love rings like this. I like wearing rings a rather great deal. I love my anxiety rings, but most of them are just not suitable for a professional sense. So I'm very much pleased. I'm gonna wear this, and I'm gonna keep this cute little bag because it is darling and so ridiculously soft. All right, what we got here? Let's see. These ones are like a little to-do list sort of guide. And we have a write it down section and a let it go section. There is like a dotted line printed on, but it's not perforated. So it is all one sheet. You can't pull just one half, at least not easily. And this is actually another one that is not listed on our inclusion sheet. So a lot of pages for something that is essentially a freebie. And is absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna have this one up on my desktop as soon as I clean off my desktop, because I am currently trying out literally 3 different phonics programs to see which one works best for my kiddos. And currently there's progress being had, but so many materials, books everywhere. Oh my stars. And last up, this was not quite what I was expecting, but it's really fun, is a little coloring book, a positive coloring book. And it's very, very small, only a few sheets. Retail value of $13. So I think I was expecting this one to be more of a traditional coloring book sort of thing, or at least have like proper like end papers, like a proper cover and end. But it is very, very pretty. I feel like my partner would really love this, though if the paper is pretty thin, you can see the designs on the other side, so I think bleeding through the paper would be kind of frustrating for them. Which also kind of takes away your ability to use the pages as like cute prints, you know? But they're very cute and I like them. So picking out which ones are a wish. And I totally lied. I said that was it. And there is one more thing. We get a calm kit pouch. It's a beautiful day to protect your peace. And then it says wipe tears here. Oh my stars. It'll be okay, buddy. Little gold tone pull. And it is lined. I'm not sure if it'll be waterproof, but it is at least a little bit resistant. I think everything will fit in here. I wonder if these will fit in here. It's like it will fit inside package-wise, but I'm not sure about it zipper-wise without destroying the whole thing. Let's see. We'll give it a little bend and she goes right in. It's already folded. Perfect. We'll pop that in there. I'm wearing the ring, but I'm going to pop that in there. Pop this in here. Put our little pen inside. Will the coloring book fit in here too? Ooh, I just threw the little paper, guys, and it does not. And then it doesn't have a loop at the end to attach our lemon to it, but I'm having a good time. Okay, and then not listed, of course, are the digital downloads. So there are desktop wallpapers, teacher tokens, activity pages, all sorts of other bonus digital content for students and for teachers. They give it a retail value of $10. It is worth so much more than $10. Certain themes, I loved this togetherness theme we had last month. It was fabulous. It was beautiful. And I loved our different pieces. I paired a lot of it with my sign language bulletin board, and it looked perfect. It was exactly what my board had been missing. So I would definitely recommend checking it out. My very first one was the Hello Kitty one, and I loved it. I loved it. I mean, I still keep a lot of the extras just with me all the time. They are cute, they are helpful, and I mean, it's a nice way to get a smile on your face. You know, I've been having a rough time. I was going to do my hair and makeup for today, and we are recording on my break in chunks, and that's okay because that's teacher life. So let's go over everything real quick. Okay, quick recap. We have our art print, a zipper bag, a fidget cube, a notepad, 3 sensory stickers, a mini positive coloring book, a soft puffy pen, a lemon stress ball. This cute little pouch contained this fidget ring. All in all, a really great value, considering that it costs about $36 per month, and does also have all of that extra that is online. It goes down to $33 per month if you do by 3 months. 6 months is $32 per month, and 12 months is $31 per month. So I do the 3 months because I know I'm gonna get it and love it, and it makes me happy every time. And it's nice to have things that are pretty and useful. So that's everything that I have for y'all today. I'm gonna separate what I'm going to keep for me, because this is for me, but also what I think I should pass on for those that are close to me, whether they are coworkers or kiddos. Oh, my stars, there's also the rollerball. I almost forgot. It's a great month, and it's gonna be a great day, and I love you all so very much. Bye-bye.